Afternoon, students. Let us continue our second chapter, motion. So in previous class we learned some concepts such as speed, velocity, uniform speed, non-uniform speed, uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity. So in today's class we will learn one more new concept. Okay. See, here one picture is given. So what is the name of this device? Yes, accelerator. So the name of this device is accelerator. Then for what purpose we are using this accelerator? Yes, for changing the velocity of the vehicle, or in order to make the changes in the speed or velocity, we are using this accelerators. So accelerators are used in vehicles to make changes in the velocity of the vehicle. So our new concept is acceleration. So let us see what is acceleration. See, here you can see three cases. In the first case, a person is running, and in the second case a person is skating, and in the third case a bee is flying. So here you can see at initially the person moves slowly, later he increasing his speed or velocity, he is increasing his velocity, and here you can see the person is saying I am accelerating because I am speeding up. So here you can see the person is accelerating because there is a change in velocity in his motion. Initially he was moving slowly, later he started to move fastly. So here we can say the person is accelerating. Here also you can see I am accelerating because I am slowing down. Here you can see the person is decreasing his speed. So here there is a change in his velocity. So the person is accelerating. Here the here the bee is flying with different velocity, as well as it is changing its direction. So the bee is accelerating because it is changing its directions. So in the three cases we can see the object is accelerating. So when we can say an object accelerating, so when we can say an object is accelerating? Yes, whenever there is a change in its velocity or direction, we can say the body is accelerating. So if you find any change in velocity, then we can say that the object is accelerating. See, here there are two cases are given. In the first case, an aeroplane is moving with a constant velocity of 1000 km per hour. So this aeroplane is moving in a straight line with the velocity of 1000 km per hour. And here the car is moving along a straight road with a velocity of 50 km per hour, which means it covers 50 kilometers in 1 hour, and the aeroplane covers 1000 kilometers in 1 hour. So my question is, in which case acceleration is involved? So in which case we can see in which case the body is accelerating? Yes, the answer is in both the case the bodies are not accelerating, because in both the cases they are moving with constant velocity. That means there is no change in velocity, therefore there is no acceleration. So whenever there is a change in velocity, then only there is acceleration, and this rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. So acceleration is the rate of change in velocity. Okay, so What is acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of change in velocity. So how can we calculate this acceleration? So acceleration is represented by small letter a. A is equal to v minus u by t. What is v minus u? Change in velocity is v minus u and t is the time. So change in velocity, that is v is the final velocity and u is the initial velocity and t is the time taken. So we can calculate the acceleration by using this formula. A is equal to v minus u by t, and the unit of this acceleration is meter per second square, and this acceleration is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. So if there is any change in the direction and if any change in the magnitude of velocity, then we can say that the body is accelerating. So acceleration is a vector quantity.